Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy and welcome to another day in real estate. So I am out here at a house in Hutto that my client is purchasing, and he's a VA buyer. So the VA appraiser came out and they notated some wood rot on this house. And the VA is super particular about wood rot and termites and stuff like that. We had a clean WDI inspection, so there was no termites of any kind, but little bits of damage that might get caught or might not get caught by a VA appraiser. Anyway, they did point it out and want the seller to fix it in this particular case. So I'm out here checking things out because I've got Jose taking care of this. It really isn't much out here. And so it's a simple fix. The seller probably should have taken care of this before putting the house on the market anyway. But it's one of those things that, it's a toss up, you could overlook it. But if you don't want to run into issues, go around your house and make sure that you don't have any little bits of wood rot around the window trim, stuff like that. Make sure it's good. Jose's already been here this morning to pull this stuff off, to take it to go get a color match. Now this one probably just moved in place. This little spot right here. Now in this case, the appraisal came back. They made it subject to those repairs. So the property made value subject to those little bit of repairs being done, which means it has to be done in order to get a clear to close on this property. So the appraiser can sign off on it. Now, when this happens, unfortunately, you have to have the appraiser come back. So it costs $150 to $200 to have the appraiser come back at that point, which is a buyer's expense. And, customarily, even though it's not really written in stone anywhere, the seller really should take care of their house and fix this stuff. Well, this particular seller has been a jerk the whole time. So, of course, the guy's like, I'm not doing it. Well, luckily, the listing agent on this one, she's a nice gal. She agreed to split the cost. And so we're getting it handled. I'm taking care of getting it handled. I pulled one of my guys, Jose, from another project that we have working to the north of here in Hutto, over to this house on a Saturday morning to get this fixed so that we can close early next week on this property. But just think about it. Walk around your house, take a look. Especially if you're thinking about selling your house, make sure you take care of all of those little things that might just be a little bit of a bump in the road later on. You don't want it to hang things up, can cost you a few days, even push a closing at the last minute if you have issues like that. So if you have any questions about real estate, dealing with appraisers, you'd like me to take a look at your property and do a real estate well check on it and check things out, let's reach out to me. I'm always happy to talk real estate. Peace.